Okay, good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Yeah, good morning. So today I have some question to ask you. You okay?
Yes.
Okay. So how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, I'm good too. Thank you. And what's your name, by the way?
My name is Renit.
Oh, okay, so Nip, that's a sweet name. And how old are you, Nip?
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old. Wow, great. So we move to the question. I want to know, where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia.
Oh, you're from Cambodia. I'm from Cambodia too. And where do you live?
I live in Kamchania.
Okay, Kamchania, right? Okay. What do you do?
I'm a student.
Okay. So, do you have any sibling?
Yes, I have some brother and sister.
You have some brothers and sisters. So, what's your sister name?
My sister name's Renit.
Okay, your sister named Trinity, right? Okay, thank you. So, what's your hobby?
Reading book.
Okay, good job. And are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I am happy too to be here with you. Okay, to make a video for the other student who want to learn English. Okay, so we move to the other question. We're going to talk about color. So, what's your favorite color?
I prefer pink.
You prefer pink, right? Okay, I am a black lover, so we are different types. Okay, and about drink, what's your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
You like orange juice. Okay, good job. And we're going to talk about sport. So, can you play football?
Yes, I can.
Okay, good job. And what time do you usually get up?
I usually get up in about 6 a.m.
Okay, and what did you eat for breakfast today?
Fried rice.
Fried rice, right? Okay, and what time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 9 p.m.
Okay, around 9 p.m. And where do you study?
I study in Coast-Based Income School CSI for short.
Okay, usually at Coast-Based Intercon School, CSI for short. So, who is your teacher? What is your teacher name?
My teacher name is Renit.
Okay, Sranit. So, do you like your teacher?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good job. And what is your favorite subject?
I like English.
Okay, you like English. I like English too because when we know English, we can communicate with other people around the world. Okay, and especially when we go to the college, most of the documents are written in English too, right? Okay, thank you. So try hard to study. Okay. So the last question, can you tell me what is the best way to study English?
Practice speaking.
Okay, practice speaking is the best way to improve your English, right? Okay. Okay, thank you, sister, for coming here today, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Shini. I'm 11 years old. Today I come here to speak about the topic communication. Let's get started. Communication is like a key that unlocks the door between people. It's how we share stories, dreams, and thoughts. Good communication to make sure we understand each other's world. We talk, we listen, and we pay attention to each other's words. When we communicate clearly, it helps us better together and solve problems. Imagine it's as a road that connects us, making teamwork easier. Clear communication stops confusion and helps us know exactly what's happening. Whether we're talking or just nodding, communication is crucial to her relationship and making life smoother for everyone. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Chai Bodong. I'm 7 years old. I study English at Coast-Based School, CSI for short. Today I'm here to talk about why we go to school, now the best kind of get start. We go to school because it is the best place to learn many important things. At school, we learn how to do stories, write sentences, solve our problem, and understand the world around us. We also learn how to work together with other students and be respectful to our teachers and friends. Studying helps us become smarter and confident. It teaches us how to think, ask questions, and find answers. When we study every day, we get better at many skills like reading, counting, and speak clearly. School also help us discover what we like to do. Some of us may want to be a doctor, teacher, artist, or scientist teachers. Going to school is the first step to make those dreams come true. That is why studying is so important. It helps us build a bright and successful future. Now bring me at the end of my topic. Thank you for watching.